Hi, a few years ago, I launched a business and we started building the website in the beginning of May. By the end of May, we had the website done. And by the beginning of August, we had the website on the first page of Google. Okay. There have been some really good SEO resources that have really helped me. And I'm going to show you what one of those particular ones is in building your traffic and funnels. Check it out. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out. All right, so let's take a look at this website, Traffic and Funnels. Now you're probably thinking, okay, I thought I was going to learn, SEO strategies and things, but stick with me. There's some good stuff in here. I want to kind of walk you through. So Traffic and Funnels has been around for at least a few years. They, obviously specialize in teaching people how to grow their traffic and build their funnels. If you scroll down to their the second area of their site here, their homepage, they have kind of like where are you, and you can get involved right away, kind of based on where you're at. But if you go over here to their products page, and I already have that open. They have quite a few different things, and I bought some of their courses, and they're really good. So I don't make any money off this. There's no that I know of. There's no affiliate program with Traffic and Funnels. It's strictly off merit. But they have the packaging blueprint, which talks about building your first high ticket offer, and then how to that process of putting that all together and marketing that. And when you're ready to scale, they have courses on your ads and all that. So there's quite a bit of stuff in here. Also, they have the copywriting masterclass, which is about $500, and the offer building masterclass, which is $500. Both of these are really good, and they have a few other things in here that are free materials that you can check out. So they also have this. Yeah, this is the this one, the offer building masterclass, or the linchpin offer masterclass. So you can go and check that out, and really kind of get a better idea of what's in that course, because I think that would really help you. Also, as far as copywriting, I did want to also point out Copywriting Secrets over on copywritingsecrets.com. They're affiliated with ClickFunnels. This is for the book, the Copywriting Secrets book by Jim Edwards. And if you look over here on his shirt, there's Funnel Scripts, which is kind of what's affiliated with ClickFunnels. So really good. He's been around for 20 years. He started off in a trailer in the 90s. And he was struggling, and he made his first consistent $1,500 a month online, by figuring out copywriting. And from there, he said to himself, if I can do this and make $1,500, I can, the sky's the limit. So copywriting, if you haven't really taken a look at that in your business, it's really, really critical. I suggest going over and grabbing the Copywriting Secrets book. It's only about $8 for shipping. And then, you can also check out the Copywriting Masterclass bundle, as well as the Funnel Scripts course there. So that's it for today. Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.